Hey everyone, Andrew here with ACR Protect. Thanks for stopping by. I don't know what I was doing with my little cadence right there. I'm starting to sound like Captain Kirk. For some reason, I don't know why I did that. I don't know. And I haven't started drinking yet. But this is a cocktail hour. It's midweek. Literally just walked in the door and it's still daylight. That's been a victory. Didn't get home until like fucking 11 last night. Don't worry, still started my day at 6 a.m. Awesome. So yeah, it's just kind of been one of those weeks. And I figure, well, it's nice outside. It's a nice little breeze, a little bit of sunlight, happy dogs. One of them out chilling out in the yard. Sorry for that noise, moving this chair. And the other, of course, wanting to play with her ball. You want to talk disgusting here? That used to be pink. No. Nope. She loves it though. That's all that matters. Okay, so beer. We're going back to a heavy hitter. Not intentional, not kind of like what, because my day was bad or anything like that. It just I've had this in there for a while. I've been wanting to try it, and so that's what I grabbed. So never had this brewery before or this beer. It intrigued me though. So Belching Beavers Brewery. I'd say that's a tongue twister right there. Branded and barreled banana pancakes. Aged in bourbon barrels and flavored with banana, whole Ugandan vanilla beans, notes of maple syrup, breakfast done right. Cheers. Peter P., Barrel Master. This comes in at 14.7%. That's a strong one. It's full pint. I do not have a label on this one, but I do know I got it from HEB, grocery store out here. Oh, the brewery's out of, I know it's California. Hold on here. This is very impromptu here. Vista, California. So, I want to say this was expensive. This might have been a, like $16 for one can. Yeah, a little steep there. I don't know what I did. I kind of jacked up my wrist, man. It just started hurting throwing that damn ball. So, yeah, this, so not cheap. It was definitely a specialty one. This is one probably best shared. I think that's probably when I got it, that was my intent, but there's nobody here to share it with. I guess I'll have to have the whole thing. Sad. Not really. Not fucking really. So, I can already, they filled this can to the, like, I don't even know if you can see it. Like, you can see it moving around right there. Like, it is full. So, I'm going to start the pour low and then bring it up. I'm actually going to kind of turn right here. Okay, you guys aren't going to get to see the pour that much as I bring it back into frame. There we go. Oh my God. Okay, so smell the bourbon right away. I'm going to cheat because it's on my thumb there. Oh wow. Okay. A little bit of head. All right. Typical stout. Kind of light on the head there. Look at that color. It is a deep, dark brown, hitting on black. All right. I already know. Yeah. Yes, sir. Smelling the bourbon. I smell the maple right out the gate. Hints of vanilla. And I know it said bananas, but I don't know if I'm kind of getting the vanilla as the banana scent. You know what I'm saying? So, cheers to you and your families. Let's get in on this. Let's see how this is. I already know it's going to be good. I already know. Already know. That has a lot going on. Well, they did not disappoint. That is delicious. That is, God damn it, that's fucking hurting my wrist. Holy hell. Might have to ice it with some more beer or something. Delicious. Very, very, very rich. Very little carbonation. Silky. All the things I like when it comes to like a beer like this, a stout. You taste the maple syrup. You get a weird, not weird, but like the bananas on the finish. You get it's almost like 3 layers, at least for me. You get the maple syrup right out the gate, vanilla, and then banana. Just like that. Oh, with like little dancing bits of the bourbon in there. Like not overpowering, like you get it, but not crazy. Not a crazy amount. Here's the other troubling thing. Never would guess this was 14.7%. Not at all. You know how some of these I've talked about, like I drink, I'm like, ugh, rocket fuel. No, this one's smooth. Like this one will do you, right? That is divine. Now, I will say that, all right, pardon me because it's dripping. I'm just gonna, all right. Well, Sharon, that'd be gross, not doing that. I would definitely get this again. This is great. You get all the flavors there. Very unique. It's not distasteful. You know how sometimes people put stuff in beer that's weird? I say that drinking a banana pancakes beer, right? Like whatever ass, you know. But no, it's good. It's really good. I mean, it reminds you of breakfast. This would be one I wouldn't drink at breakfast because pretty sure you'd be smashed before the end of breakfast. Delicious. Belching Beaver Brewery knocked it out of the park. This is divine. Yeah, it's good. Let's get another look at that can. Look at that. Yeah, cool can. It does look like it has like a label on the can there. Delicious beer. This is a beer made for a shitty day. You know, you could drink this out of the can. I don't think you'd enjoy it as much though. You wouldn't be able to get all the aromatics as you're drinking it. I mean, you could a little, but not like in one of these glasses. Plus, I think, you know, if I were to buy this again, I'd get it and share it with some of my beer connoisseur friends and neighbors and stuff like that. It's good. It's good. And kind of pricey for a single can of beer, but drinking this, like this will be all I drink tonight. That's it. I'm going to be done. Even though I got my dog Harry eyeing me like he wants some of my beer. Sorry, bud. Apparently, dogs cannot metabolize alcohol. Learned that. So, shouldn't be giving dogs beer, you know. You love your dogs, don't give them beer, you know. Because, you know, dogs eat and drink whatever. If you have it, they want it, right? You know, Stella eats vegetables, right? She eats everything. She's better at vegetables than I am. Another thing, again, just kind of a little sidebar because I'm looking at it. My wife had ordered some citronella candle holders for the patio here, and it came in like a 3-pack. So she let me pick out the color. I'm gonna bring this up so you can see it right there. And the reason I picked this color, does it not kind of remind you of the stones from Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom? Something about it. I think when it's fuller, it gives a little more of that hue, you know, when they start glowing when they're all together. So cool. They have a couple different colors. I'll put a link in the description if you're into, you know, citronella candles for your outdoor spaces or whatever. Maybe not so much for camping, but around the house. We got 3 of them, and so a couple parts to this. One, it absolutely does help keep the mosquitoes away, because, you know, they're out full force around here. They just are. They're just out. It's Texas, right? They also put out a lot of light. So, you know, if that's kind of one of your things, it's you know, if you don't want the lights on and bringing in more bugs, like those noisy ass beetles that we get around here, June bugs, I think, or whatever. But yeah, I'll put a link in there. There's, again, you know, a couple different designs, a couple different colors. This is kind of like the red to gold or orange or whatever. I like them. You know, it's one of those, if you're looking for something kind of decorative, you know, Mother's Day's coming up. Might be a good gift for a family friend, you know, mom, whatever. They work really well. I support it, you know. Anything to help keep those little vicious bastards from biting me. I'll take it. So, that's all I got. That's it. Did get some new stuff in, some gear I want to show you. Nothing too crazy. You know me, I'm not spending a whole lot of money on stuff unless I'm buying a beer. But yeah, that's all I got. Happy Wednesday to you and your families. Thank you for the views and support, and we'll catch you next time. We'll see you later.